So let us see a problem on finding the absolute maximum and absolute minimum. So find the absolute maximum and the minimum values of f, if any, on the given interval, and state where those values occur. So let us see the first function. So first function is f of x equal to x square minus x minus 2, where you have the interval minus infinity to infinity. So we have a function which is defined over the interval minus infinity to infinity. So if we take limit x tends to infinity, x square minus x minus 2, so you have an even power for the highest degree term. So this is infinity, and limit x tends to infinity, x square minus x minus 2 is equal to infinity. So therefore the function takes infinity as limit x tends to infinity and limit x tends to minus infinity. So therefore f has no absolute maximum. So now let us look for the minimum. So absolute minimum, if it exists, so it will exist at the critical point. So let us find the critical point. So f dash of x is 2x minus 1. So therefore x equal to 1 by 2 is the critical point. So let us evaluate the function. So if you look at f double dash of x, so that is equal to 2, which is greater than 0, so this is the minimum. So f of 1 by 2 will be 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 minus 2. So that will be minus 1 by 4 minus 2, so you will get minus 9 by 2. So therefore the absolute minimum is at the point, so that will be at the point 1 by 2 minus 9 by 2. So that is the absolute minimum point. And the next question is, you have f of x equal to 2x cube minus 6x plus 2, where you have the interval minus infinity to infinity. So when you take limit x tends to infinity, 2x cube minus 6x plus 2, so that is infinity, and again limit x tends to minus infinity, 2x cube minus 6x plus 2, so you have the highest degree term has an odd power. So therefore as you take limit x tends to minus infinity, so you will get minus infinity. So therefore the function has neither absolute max nor absolute min. So it has neither absolute max nor absolute min. That's because the function value approaches to both infinity and minus infinity. And let us see one more problem. So if you have f of x equal to x square plus 1 by x plus 1 over the interval minus 5 to minus 1. So if you take limit x tends to minus 1, x square plus 1 by x plus 1, so minus 1 minus, so that will be equal to, so in the numerator you will get 2, and in the denominator it is minus 1, minus ആണ്, so the value is going to be minus infinity. And when you take limit x tends to minus 5 plus x square plus 1 by x plus 1, so that will be, you will have 26 by 6. So therefore one of the limits is minus infinity, so the function goes to minus infinity as x tends to minus 1. So therefore it does not have absolute minimum. Now let us see if it has an absolute maximum. So for that, find out the first derivative. So you have f of x equal to x square plus 1 by x plus 1. So f dash of x is x plus 1 whole square into x plus 1 into 2x minus x square plus 1. So that is x square 2x square minus x square varum, x square varum plus 2x minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square. So that implies, so x square plus 2x minus 1 equal to 0 implies, so you have x equal to minus 2 plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac, so plus 4 varum divided by 2a, so that is 2. So x will be minus 2 plus or minus 2 root 2 by 2, so that is minus 1 plus or minus 2 plus or minus root 2. Okay. So the interval was minus 5 minus 1, so therefore the critical point is x equal to minus 1 minus root 2 ആയിരിക്കും വരിക ഇൻ്റർവെല്ലിൽ. So that is the critical point. And so evaluate the function at the point. So f of minus 1 minus root 2 is minus 1 minus root 2 whole square plus 1 by x plus 1, so minus 1 minus root 2 plus 1, so you get 1 plus 2 root 2 plus 2 plus 1 by minus root 2, so that will be 4 plus 2 root 2 by minus root 2. So this is going to be the absolute maximum value, so that occurs at the point minus 1 minus root 2. So that is the absolute maximum for the given function.